Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't real or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a disaster. Chiliz, the specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in no less than 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about achieving the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. Notwithstanding, the exhibition of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ/USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected gigantic development, and it denoted another record-breaking high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point onward, the token confronted slight rectification, yet later it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost checked monstrous convention and contacted 75 cents. However, later, it revised down to 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark. However, later, it confronted sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it stamped huge recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has stamped persistent negative pattern, and presently, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ estimate referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you really do possess research proposing projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz gauge. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful gauge predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Constantly, and the normal most extreme cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz cost expectation specialist. It claims 2022 will be an impeccable year for Chiliz considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time. As per Chiliz cost forecast specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the most extreme cost of 23 cents. Market Chiliz expectations anticipate the base cost to be as low 20 cents by July. The future Chiliz estimate holds splendid for CHZ. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a bullish cost of 31 cents in 1 year or less. This implies an increment of 55% is assessed, which is an amazing financial planning choice in something like 1 year of its ascent. A drawn-out increment is normal in light of wallet financial backer examination and Chiliz figure. The CHZ cost expectation for 2027 is $1.48. With a 5-year speculation in view of the ongoing value, the income is supposed to be around plus 638.81% in 5 years. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is set to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents individually. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation in Chiliz gauge, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a coursing supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHZ value expectation proposes that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, most likely in the following 5 years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz cost estimated by CHZ cost forecast has not soared on the trade ascending to greatness. One unmistakable truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is staying put, increment. Fill in the market in full blossom according to underneath Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz value forecast 2022. CHZ gauge predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistent. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost forecast 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to CHZ cost conjecture. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz cost expectation expects the CHZ cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will most likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. In any event, transient counter developments or even rectifications in the coin are by the by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in much more consideration before long. The Chiliz cost will absolutely not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz value forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost degree of 51 cents as projected greatest cost. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost conjecture with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized investigation done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering an exceptionally serious and heartless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded forecast stage, a clear cost flood in CHZ USD can unquestionably be anticipated. Chiliz value forecast 2024. There are many theories proceeding for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are suspicions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ gauge predicts the greatest cost, least cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents separately. Before you choose to buy